Archery is a sport of accuracy. Nothing is more important than landing that arrow exactly where you've told it to go. And that's why we practice, to correct technique over and over again, perfecting every shot until each one flies exactly like the last. In order to correct that technique, you need feedback from the target itself. You need to know where the last arrow went in order to improve the next one. At a range of 20 yards, the knock of an arrow is almost invisible. It's impossible to accurately judge its location. In the Olympics, coaches have to use high-powered lenses and binoculars to even see the target. That's why I came up with the Arrow Detection and Scoring System. It is capable of automatically scoring arrows the instant they hit the target. I had the chance to work on this project this summer at the Credit Center at Prairie View A&M. The first thing I had to do was learn about color spaces, the way that input and output devices understand color. I spent a lot of time seeing how changing something in RGB would affect HSV. After that, it was time to start coding. Identifying the colors of the target was a painstaking process of making small changes and then observing the output before moving forward. One step at a time, I was able to determine the bounds for each of the 5 colors on the target. First red, then blue, then yellow. Next came arrow detection. In order to track the arrow, the program had to be able to determine the position of the arrow on the target. I had to place a purple tag on the tip of the arrow so it could be tracked in a variety of lighting conditions. The white dot is the centroid of the arrow and will be later used to score the arrow. Finally, after hours of testing, editing, and editing again, the program was finished. It was able to quickly determine the score of an arrow based on its position with accuracy. This was my first time writing a program with a specific problem in mind. Over 300 lines of code were devoted to solving that problem. That is what I worked on this summer.